Happy Saturday. I'm in Enumclaw today with the amazing real estate broker, Tara Robinson with Williams Ave Real Estate at a beautiful home. Now guys, I have to tell you, this property absolutely has it all with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a spacious 3,120 square feet home on a picturesque, beautiful 5 acres. Come by, take a peek, talk to me today on some amazing financing options, talk with Tara, and maybe put in an offer and you can make this house yours.
See you soon.
Bye.
Come on in and check it out. Got this massive center island for all of your entertaining needs. This primary boasts beautiful views, not only from the bed, but also from the tub. Powder room and laundry. Upstairs you have this amazing loft style lookover. Bedroom number 2. Bathroom. And bedroom number 3.